Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Abhay from Abhay Calligraphy, and today we are going to unbox each and every brand new Pilot parallel pen. Yes, these are my favorite calligraphy pens, and these are basically used for broad edge calligraphy, and these are the all sizes that Pilot provides as of now. And as you can see, they come in different sizes with their own color. The blue one here is 6 mm, the green one here is 3.8 mm, the orange one is 2.4 mm, and the red one is 1.5 mm. So as far as the pricing is concerned, that is not indicated on the package, but you can get it for around 900 to 1000 rupees from your nearby calligraphy shop, and or you can buy them from Amazon or Flipkart. I'll put the link in the description box. So let's do the unboxing and see what's more inside the package and why I actually love this pen. So let's get started. So first of all, I have taken 6 mm Pilot parallel pen, as it is indicated in the top left corner, 6 mm. So I will do its unboxing first, followed by the others, and I will remove the seal from the right side. The first thing you will notice the Pilot parallel pen branding. I'll just keep it aside. And here is the pen cover. The size of the pen is mentioned on the top of the cover, as it says 6 mm. And here we have the pen itself. Yeah, so this is the 6 mm nib, as you can see, and we get 2 cartridges, each of black and red color. The package also includes a pipette and a nib cleaner. For the cleaning purpose, I will show you how it works in the later part of the video. And beneath that we have an instruction manual, which is actually in 6 different languages. So it has instruction regarding how to insert an ink cartridge, how to wash the pen unit, how nib cleaner actually works. So this is quite good. And on the back side we have some fonts: italic font, Roman font, Gothic font, and some sample letters for you to practice, which is kinda good. So I'll just put it aside and we'll focus on the pen itself now. So it is actually screw based, so the later part of the pen is detachable like this, and we can detach the upper parts as well. So these are the plates detached, and this is the ink controller. So these are all the parts of the parallel pen. So this actually becomes handy when you have to experiment with different type of inks available in the market. And so quickly I will just put all the parts together and let's see how to insert the cartridge into the pen. So here I have taken the black cartridge, and it is very easy to insert it. You just have to push it into the ink controller and the ink will start flowing automatically from the cartridge. And you just have to cover the lower part and you are ready to write. In case the ink doesn't flow through the pen, you can shake it a little bit like I just did, and the ink will flow smoothly from the plates. And now you can see how smoothly it writes. I am actually writing with the 6 mm Pilot parallel pen, and it is so smooth. This is just the normal paper that I got from a local shop, so nothing extraordinary about the paper. And now let's do the unboxing of other pens as well. So this is the 2.4 mm parallel pen. It's the same accessories that you get with the 6 mm you get with the 2.4 mm as well, and the color helps a lot in distinguishing between them. So this is the 2.4 mm. I will show you the nib. Yeah, so this is it. This is the 2.4 mm nib. So now the red one, that is the 1.5 mm Pilot parallel pen, and I will not be inserting ink cartridge in each and every pen as of now, and I will do the comparison video later on with each nib. So you can subscribe to my channel if you want to be notified every time I upload a video. Okay, so this pen also gets the same accessories as the 6mm one, that is the ink cartridge, the pipette and the nib cleaner. So this is the smallest nib from the lot, and I actually prefer it to write italics. And now I'll be unboxing the last one, that is the 3.8 mm Pilot parallel pen. This is actually my go-to pen, and I always carry it in my pocket. This pen is ideal to write all forms of black letter and gothic. I mean, if you are in a hurry, you don't have to think, you just pick this one and this will do all the job. So I have unboxed every parallel pen now, and now I will do the quick comparison between them. So now we have all the parallel pens together, so that you can get the idea how their nib size varies between them. So now I'm going to tell you how that pipette actually works. You just have to insert it like an ink cartridge, and you can blow air into it, or you can fill the pipette with some water and pump water into it. So this will clean your ink controller as well as your parallel plates. And while writing, if something can get stuck between your parallel plates, so you can clean it by using nib cleaner, just like this. It will clean your parallel plates. Yeah, so this is quite handy and very useful when it comes to cleaning. So yeah, this is it. I have now unboxed each and every parallel pen, and now you can let me know in the comment box which one is your favorite, which one you use the most. And yeah, one pro tip I want to give you is that do not throw away the cartridges after they become empty, because they will be used to refill it, and I will show you in my next video how you can refill them. So please do not throw them away. Okay, and if you want to see more calligraphy videos through Pilot parallel pen, you can follow me on Instagram at @abhay_calligraphy. You will find tons of videos made through Pilot parallel pen, and you will find my user ID in the description box below. So if you like this video, you can always give it a thumbs up and let me know which product you want me to unbox next. And if you have any query, you can definitely ask me in the comment box. I will be more than happy to answer them, or you can DM me on Instagram. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.